Hey, it's Travis with Devil Dog Digital. And just a quick video for you today. Imagine a sales rep that never sleeps, never misses a lead, and costs you around $10 a day. No out of office replies, no missed calls, just instant engagement whenever somebody shows interest in your business. Now, here's how the engine works. It talks to every lead instantly, qualifies them based on your specific needs, and books appointments directly into your calendar. The best part, there's zero friction, nothing for you to install, no new software to manage, and absolutely nothing for you to learn. We build it, we train it, and we run it for you. You show up to the appointments. Stop losing revenue to your voicemail and your inconsistent lead follow-up. Click the link below to experience a live demo. Have an amazing day, my friends. Semper Fi.